I'm No Spill Jill, and this is my gas can that makes it so easy you may never have to spill a drop of gas again. You just put the spout wherever you want and press the button. See? Now if you hold the button down, it'll stop automatically. I bet you didn't expect that, did you? Now let's say this is your mower's tank. It's so easy, and it even works on tanks you can't see into. And if you want to top it off, that's easy too. How about small tanks like those used on blowers or trimmers? Simple. And if you really want to show off, you can do it in a shot glass. It's the button that makes it easy. Our patented nozzle is super cool, and now we have extra wide view stripes on the front and the back of the can. This is No Spill Jill saying you don't have to spill expensive gas ever again. It's the button that makes it easy. That's on, that's off, and that's it. Get a No Spill gas can.
It's time for a smarter pour. Follow these simple steps to use your Briggs & Stratton Smart Fill fuel filling system safely and correctly. To assemble your spout for the first time, remove the child-safe screw cap by pressing down the locking teeth and turning it to the left. Remove the green dust cap and pull the spout completely out of the fuel filling system. You are now ready to fill with gas. To assemble your spout for pouring, insert the tapered end of the spout into the bottom of the screw cap and then reattach the screw cap to the fuel filling system. Be sure to tighten the screw cap firmly and make sure the child-safe teeth are fully engaged. Before each use, you must remove the screw cap to properly vent the container. Once vented, reattach the screw cap firmly. To safely pour gas with the Smart Fill spout, follow these 3 steps: twist, anchor, and push. Twist. Unlock the green safety collar by turning it to the right 1/4 of an inch until it clicks into place. When in the unlocked position, the upward arrow on the green safety collar should align with the downward arrow on the black spout. Anchor. To pour, simply insert the spout in the gas tank, gently resting it on the anchor hook to avoid slippage. Push. Holding can firmly, apply downward pressure on anchor hook to begin the flow of gasoline. To stop the flow of gas, lift the spout from the gas tank. The green safety collar returns to its locked position, while the auto shutoff valve closes to keep the fumes inside the can. Always place the dust cap on the end of the spout after using to keep dust and dirt from entering. We hope you enjoy using your Briggs & Stratton Smart Fill fuel filling system.